Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually build SEO through keywords. Now stop wasting money on Google Ads, guys, because you've got an amazing tool and platform available at your disposal called wordstream.com. Get an instant audit of your account with a free Google Ads performance grader. And guys, you can get your free report just by clicking over here and going through the steps. Now you can get a true read on your performance because the Google Ad performance grader gives you a complete breakdown on how are your Google Ads really performing. You can find out with a free instant report card with scores in 9 key areas as wasted spend, quality scores, click-through rate, impression share, best practices, account activity, long tail keywords, and mobile optimization. And obviously the true WorldStream blog is here to help you guys. And that's one of the things I always mention to all my viewers, guys. If you want to make sure that you want to rank your website and get your website on the first page of Google to ensure that you can increase your sales and get more audience coming to your sites, then you need to understand that how you can actually do search engine optimization by using simpler keywords. And these are the platforms and these are the methodologies and the strategies that you need to apply to. And this is the reason why we make all these amazing videos for you guys, to give you the right methodology and the right strategy that you can implement and scale to create a successful business where you can break away from the 9-to-5 rat race and get the financial freedom that you always been dreaming about, and break away and get the essence of living financially independently. And once you understand what you need to do and how you need to do it, it is then and only then there you'll be able to develop yourself in a proper manner. And with the keyword research made fast and easy, because the keyword search can be a slog, but the free tool makes it a clinch to find the keywords for your business needs to drive traffic through the SEOs and the PPC. Simply enter a keyword or URL and get hundreds of relevant keyword suggestions tailored to your industry and to your location. And with the keyword volume and cost per click data using the latest Google search data, just tap into the industry leading expertise. And whatever your goal is, guys, the marketing service represented by WordStream has the expertise and the cutting edge technology that you need to achieve, from 300,000 customers that trust their solutions to 285 million leads delivered to customers, available in 260 plus communities, and obviously a local trust on a national level. And you can learn so much more about marketing and what you need to do and get the right and the best tips and the best tricks. And the next place you need to go over is to the developers.google, the Google Search Central. And obviously this is formerly known as Google Webmaster, and it's over here that they help the right people view their contents with resources to make the websites discoverable through Google search. And if you're new to search engine optimization, you need to make sure that you go through this website to understand the specific things that you can do to improve the search engine optimization of your website. You need to select your profile and get the recommendation of how you can improve the SEO of your website. If you're a business owner or marketer and you're interested in a CEO from a business standpoint, you can easily find the right methodology to develop yourself in the right way. Check if you're appearing on the search, help people quickly understand, be eligible for special features, and obviously consider hiring an SEO and reviewing those information, because as you browse through the SEO case studies, you will learn how other sites have reached more people by improving their site presence on Google search. And that is one of the things I always mention to anyone that watches our videos. The main element and focus on our all videos is to make you more aware and knowledgeable about this particular topic. And the more research that you do, the more you read, and the better you understand, the more independent you're gonna be. We live in a time and age where the knowledge and the information is available on our fingertips. All we need to do is take a step in the right direction to ensure that we're able to absorb that information and apply that information, execute that information, and implement that information, so we can actually make sure that we're in position to scale our business on the right track and develop a business strategy that is effective and scalable. And obviously it provides for us the financial independence that we're looking for. And you can only achieve that if you understand the different dynamics that are involved in this particular market and in this particular niche. And combining all that knowledge together and putting those things into a proper pattern, you can actually give yourself a chance to get a competitive advantage in the industry, because this industry in the true essence has become very saturated. And the more saturated this market is going to be, the more difficult difficult it is going to be for you to enter it. And that is the reason why we bring you all these videos, to give you that competitive advantage, to break through the saturation and get you what you always needed and deserved and dreamed about. And once you implement those methodologies and those strategies, you can ensure yourself that you would be on the right track for a successful business that you would have developed. And once you do that, you need to head over to this website, which is called ahrefs.com. Now, everything that you need to rank higher and get more traffic is available, guys, from Facebook, from eBay, from TripAdvisor, an all-in-one SEO tool set. And audit and optimize your website. You can analyze your competitors and find the keywords for your customers who are searching for, and learn from your industry's top performing content and track your ranking progress as well. And obviously, you can look at the different elements that are available. And from a junior market to SEO expert, you'll find that the tool set is powerful yet easy to master. And the reason why this is because they're confident in understanding and figuring out and setting you up with a real quick way and video courses that are available. And one of the things, guys, that you need to understand is the more information that you find out, the more reading that you do on this topic, the better you're going to get at it. So I would highly recommend for you to go through the SEO tutorials to understand what a search engine optimization is, how it works, and what are keywords research, and how you can actually build these elements up. And the guides are here to make you and help you develop yourself in the right possible manners. This is a community of individuals that understand what you're doing. And once you enter a community, once you enter a society, once you get that support from like-minded individuals that have faced that problem, individuals that have been in your shoes, individuals that know what it means to not get traffic to your websites and the position that it puts you in, they have gone through those elements and they've shared those success stories and how they overcame that. And that is a learning experience from you. You are not alone, guys. You don't need to recreate the wheel. The wheel has already been created. It is moving, and you need to make use of that moving wheel and implement those strategies onto your business. And once you do, you'll feel relaxed and you'll understand that you're not alone, that many other like you stand with you. And that is where this community comes in place. And once you get individuals with like-minded people, you can get access to the insiders, their private Facebook community, where you can bounce ideas and question off 10,000 plus SEO obsessed marketers who have seen it all. You ask your question to the customer support team, who is always to help you 24/7 via the support chat, or simply poke them on Twitter, guys. And this is the reason why I always mention to individuals to make sure that they're always looking in the right direction, in the right place, to get the right support and the right guidance. And it all starts with the website traffic industry favorite SEO tools that you're using. Just click on see pricing and you can see the plans and pricing that they have. And I personally feel they've done a wonderful job when it comes to the pricing, because there are 4 different methodologies available. The light that starts at $99 per month, the standard that starts at $199 per month, the advanced at $399 per month, and the enterprise, which is ideal for agencies and enterprises, at $999. Remember, guys, you can always start off small as a business and hobby project at $99, and then you can always go to a perfect for a freelance SEOs and marketing consultant at $199. And if you need more tools and data to lean in-house marketing teams, you can always go to the advanced at $399 and always end up at $999 for monthly. There's so many elements that are available, guys, and you can always see the amount of support and guidance that you'll be able to get from projects, from data, from rank trackers, from Keyword Explorer, from APIs, from users, from data, and from tools. These are all the things that you can get with ahrefs.com. Now, if you need any support, any guidance whatsoever, you can always drop me a message in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, on your TikTok, so more people can find out about how to search and build their SEOs on different keywords and make and drive traffic to their websites. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.